please speak for all of us.
Namaste, everyone. I want to thank all of you for coming. And I actually want to start by thanking Swapna ma'am, Ashwini sir, Kiran sir, and of course the captain of the ship, Mr. Ajay sir, for being the captain, Ajay sir. And thank you for thinking of me for this film because it's truly been an honor to work in this film. And of course, JK has been, I think, the best co-star I could have asked for, always helped me. And everyone else, Vasuki ma'am was so much fun to work with, Mohan Babu sir, and everybody. So really thank all of you for being so welcoming and so warm with me. I don't know the language yet, but I'm trying very hard to learn it. And I know Kuncham, but I used to pick up as much as I could from Ajay sir and JK, and even JK sir. He has been so supportive and so amazing the entire time, and all of the assistant directors. I don't think I actually would have been able to do this film if I didn't have the help of two very special assistant directors, and that was Shri sir and Giri sir, who translated every single dialogue for me in English, Hindi, and explained every scene to me, and so did Ajay sir. So thank you, and thank you all the ADs. And everybody is a fan of Mahesh Babu sir, and of course Krishna sir. And I'm so honored to be a part of this film. Thank you so much, and I hope to make all of you proud.
Thank you so much, Rasha. So, Manga, ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కసారి సీను గురించి ఏమైనా చెప్తే వినాలనుకుంటున్నాము. Tell us something about your Srinu.
He's actually very funny. And he likes to play lots of games, and he's very funny. He will not show it, and even on set during the takes he would be like, he would do like, he's very funny to work with.
You are debuting in Telugu film industry, but
Yes.
you are already senior to Sinu there, right? But because you have
Only
already
one film.
two, maybe, yeah. Yeah. So, how did that seniority helped you with, working with Sinu?
I don't think there was any seniority, to be honest. I think we helped each other. We learned from each other. And he would help me with the language. He would help me with the dialogues. And he would actually tell me that, this is the expression. I think if you do it like this, it may be interesting. So I got help from him as well. There was nothing like that. And I'm usually quiet, so, but yeah.
Of course, I think you look so good together on screen, so we are eagerly waiting. But tell me one more thing. What is that one word that he taught you in Telugu? That's it. This is the last question.
One word.
Telugu.
I mean, he would teach me like whatever dialogues and all, but there's not
okay.
one particular word. But
One line, one word, anything is fine.
I don't know.
Andarki namaskaram, you might have already learned it, right?
That before I came, I remember even the narration when I came to meet Ajay sir for the first time, I was like, Andarki namaskaram, because I wanted to be as respectful as possible.
Right.
So, but Ajay sir has been the true backbone of this movie.
Super.
Really, he has helped all of us actors, no matter how small or big our roles were. He was there for us more like a friend than the director. And I think
Super.
that's super special.
Absolutely beautiful talking to
Thank
you.
you so
Thank
much.
you so
Thank
much,
you.
Rasha Tadani. Thank you. Please have your seat. Thank you very much. So that is